Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll making this amazing yet easy Jaggery caramel custard. You don't need to bake it, and it's also eggless. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and let's get started. All you need to do is take 50 grams of Jaggery and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it really well till all the Jaggery melts, and then just leave it. Do it the way like how I am whisking it, and you can just make it in a low flame gas. You don't need to make it on high flame. So once it gets a nice boil and it starts getting, the jaggery starts giving a little bit color, you will need to rotate it on the pan to see if it's become like a soft boil. The same way I am doing it. Take a 6-inch cake tin, pour the caramel into it, and again rotate it so that the entire circle of the 6-inch is covered with the caramel. Once that is done, just cool it in the fridge for, you can say, 10 to 15 minutes, and then we go to the next step to make the custard. So I've taken 2.5 ml of milk. You can take sugar or jaggery. Keep mixing it till the sugar is dissolved and give it a little soft boil. And once that is done, take 5 tablespoons of corn flour, or you can divide it into half. You can take like 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 of custard powder. Make sure you mix it with a little bit of water before putting it in the milk, because we don't want it to get lumpy. So that's why. So this helps to avoid any lumps while making the custard. Then we can add the vanilla essence and keep giving it a good mix till it starts getting little thicker. So take a little time, but don't worry, your custard will start getting thicker. Once that is done, we just keep it aside, and then you have to strain the custard so that we do not get any lumps while having the caramel custard. So once that is done, I'm going to pour the entire custard into the 6-inch tin, refrigerate it overnight. Once that is done, you can just see the final results. All you need to do is take a plate and just turn your tin and look at this delicious caramel custard that has been made. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.